Today I'm going to show you a lot of varieties how you can use this specific powerCLAMP work holding system on your round table machine. It's flexible, it has a 2 mm increment serration. This allows to adjust the length of your vise every moment in just a quick matter of time. Now what we build up here is a powerCLAMP cross with hundreds of different modules, a lot of different jaws, and now we're going to show you the abilities of this system. Number one, we have a clamping of a big, round, heavy part with a lot of heavy machining in it. While only clamping these 4 pull-down modules on every corner of the cross, we can guarantee a safe pull-down clamping to hold the workpiece safe in every situation of the machining. It's built up fast and easy, and it's reliable, it's flexible. We are taking only 2 self-centering modules aligned in the middle of the cross. My machine space is not interrupted. You can easily machine this part from every side and finish it in one operation without having any interruptions. Of course, a big other advantage is that you can easily change to another application while you're done with this job. Now we have this typical chaotic production. It's daily business in a lot of companies. You need to change quick, you need to vary between different parts in just a short amount of time. Now here we have a collet receiver. We can mount round parts on. We also have dedicated fixtures that we're very well known for. You can use the powerCLAMP, direct stamping jaws, of course, self-centering vise modules, of course self-centering vise modules with a riser in it for better access of the spindle to the part. And of course the quick change we can show now is very easily done. You have a new job, you need to take it away, you need to change the module. Just put on the module precisely on your wished position, and you're ready to go with the new job. You can use this as well as a mechanical zero-point system with a quick change. When you take it away, you do another job, you're done with it. By only taking these extra 2 steel parallels, that you can of course use as steel parallels anyways, you can use it to give you the position that the vise was before. So when I'm done with the job, mount it on again, you can't do anything. It just like steps into this space and it's exactly in the same position as before. So the operators can change this quickly. The shift change, another operator will exactly know where the operator before used this system.